What up, Fonzie folks? How we all doing? Hi, hi, hi. Hello, Internet. So, today we're back with an absolute gem, an absolute solid gold flashback to my childhood in the absolute purest of form. The year would have been 1999. I, as a young man, had just left home. Oh, yes, left home, gone out into the world on my own, still had my little Lego hobby. The young chap going out into the world. And yeah, I still remember the days of going into Toy Master. For those of you who do remember Toy Master, going into Toy Master and looking at stuff and thinking to yourself, yeah, cool, I'll get that, I'll get that next time I come in. Um, yeah. So underneath this little cover, I have something from 1999. It is still factory sealed. It still even has the little plastic tag on it for hanging it on the shelves. Remember, they used to hang on the little steel rails. That's still in here. So without further ado, I'll show you what this is. I'll say it's still sealed. Two have arrived today, not one, two. Bits and bits. Stretch over. Kits and Bits over on Bricklink. Again, not sponsored by them, not endorsed by anyone. It's just me saying thank you to people for being nice to me. There you go. Kits and Bits, thank you for your order. This comes from a chap called Shane. Lovely chap. Great correspondence. But Kits and Bits supplied me with two of these models. The other one is on the shelf up there. Best. I do a bit of a growing collection of unboxed ones, unopened. So I give you Lego 1257 Technic. It's still factory sealed. See, the seal is still intact. We do still even have the little plastic hangers for the used to hang them on steel rails. These are fantastic. I really want to open it, but at the same time, I really don't want to open it. But then I have to I have to keep looking at the shelf and saying, "Yeah, I've got another one on the shelf, so it's okay. It's okay." Yeah. Hey, Matt, just open the damn thing. Open it, quick, open it. Yeah. I'm gonna open it. I've got another one on the shelf. Yeah, this can become a collection of micro. Crack the seal. Open the box really gently. Really gently. Open the box. Oh my word, look at that! That's still gonna have air in that from 1999. The bits from then to now really have not changed much. Oh, we've got a poster. Wow, Lego Technic 8448 race car. We've got Star Wars uh, droids, pit droids, battle droids. Yeah, let's give us some more ideas of what to collect. PlayStation, N64s. Oh my word. PlayStation and N64 stuff down here. This is fantastic. Oh my word. Look at this Speed Slammers. Now that is 8251. I have been looking at a sealed 8251 on Britlink. I think I will be purchasing for the fact that it looks really cool. I like the look of this trike as well. Definitely give me some ideas of other ones to collect. I may have to look into these battle droids now. They look really Yes, that's given me some ideas of new ones to collect. So that way, I'll put that on my shelf with you. Ah, the instructions. Oh, this very, very small elastic band has just popped out. Can't lose that. 99. Thinks it's smell of old cardboard. Wow, look at this build sheet. This is fantastic. The paper feels great. Oh, if only you could see the smile on my face right now. Oh, wow. This is fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Get the tub, the rubber banding. Let's crack this bag open. It smells, the air inside the bag for a moment smelt like old trainers. Best way I can describe it. It's literally trainers. When you go to the shoe shops as a kid, going in shoe shops, smell of the that's what it smells like. This is so cool. My God, grief. The difference in texture between the rubber used then and now is immense. Some sort of grease on the wheels. Oh, I remember these. I remember these popping in like this. This is a proper trip down memory lane. This. Wow. Is. This is fantastic. Let's have a crack at building this. Let's have a crack at building. It'll be a bit of a long video with laughing as we do what we can. Design of Lego pieces between then and now really has not changed much. The black pins have changed a little, not a great deal. And go still Lego. Get on some. Free washer on. Another washer. Right then. Oh. Four. Please replace the big number. Top. Base of what? A performance shim. Call it. Up. Neat. Pop the extended black pin. The red. Hello. Oh, oh, we've lost it. Very fiddly, this thing. Especially with hands as large. Put it on one side and lost it the other side. There we go. Put it back on again. Books. Versus or performance. Push it to the max Paramount class. Go on boys with that. Go on boys with that. I do something as simple as stretching a hand over Lego, hands and fingers. Something of a challenge. I know there's folks out there that got large hands. I get that, but mine are large, arthritic, and broken. I've broken my fingers many times. Well, I'm not even going to try fiddling with that. Leave it as is. On to step 8. Oh. Want a red angle with a black. The light on this ruining this light above me. I really do need to change the bulb on it. I said that a few. Really do need to get around to doing it. Would do if that had considered going. There we go. That sits on there like that. Then we attach the front wheel with a black version, the small red pin bobble. They're now red. That's one shit happened now. Thing is fantastic. I am loving this. Put the wheel together. Pat it on the frame. Next is this long piece. Then we want another black, or another red piece. The red piece, like the last one, on them and onto that. Oh. Onto our little handlebars. This is where it gets difficult. This shaft's not held in by, not held up against anything but my. When it nips you like that, it's like. There it is. Lego Technics 1257. 1999. Lego Technic model. It's absolutely getting to Shane over at Kit. I initially only wanted one model, but after they revealed they had a second one was maximised. Of course, he wasn't going to. After a discussion, that's what we did. I'm really, really happy that I did. There it is, ladies and gentlemen, Lego Technics 1257. I am, as always, your host, Mr. Fonzie. Thank you very much for watching. Check out the link in the description to the kits and bits. Again, none of this is sponsored. I only mentioned that the people I get the Lego where I get it from, laptop. If people are pleasant with me and I would like to do something, hence the none of this is sponsored or supplied. They're all bought by me at cost. Well, why not? I'm a Lego collector. Heck. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this 1999 Lego Technic, and I will see you. Lego with letters A. Hope everyone's well. Night.